How to change the language on your Spotify application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your language on your Spotify application. So just make sure you have downloaded and logged in to your account on your Spotify official application, and once you're inside in this interface on your home screen, and what I want you to do is simply click on your profile icon over here. So once you click on your profile icon, what I want you to do is simply head over to settings. And once you're inside your settings, as you can see, there is a first option called language at the first section, and simply click on it. As you can see, it's been selected to Morocco. So if you want to select to change it to any other language, so let's say I want to change it to English, what you can do is simply restart, select the English or any other language that you want, and you just have to make sure restart the application once you select a particular language. In this case I am using default English. So that is exactly how you can easily change your language on Spotify application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.